Let's take a look at the second option that Microsoft has now given us to filter within your pivot tables. This has been around inside of the Windows version of Microsoft Excel since the 2010 edition. This is your slicers. Slicers are essentially interactive, kind of dashboard-like elements to filter your pivot table results. So before I do this, I'm going to grab year from the pivot table field list. It's just right there behind my head. I'm going to drag it out of there. Let's get rid of that filter. So now we're going to provide another filter. We'll still do it by year, but the interface is quite a bit better in my opinion. Button presses, dashboard-like elements. So if I make sure I'm clicked into my pivot table, really doesn't matter where, I'll go up to my Pivot Table Analyze tab, and I'm going to grab Insert Slicer. So this is going to open up the Insert Slicer window, and there I get to pick how I want to filter the results. I'll grab year. I'm going to hit OK. And this right here, this is your slicer. This is your filter. And I love this because you can move it anywhere. You can format it. You can get it to kind of fall in line with the rest of your look and feel and really truly create a nice interactive dashboard based on your pivot table, your charts, and so on. So now I just click on it. Say I just want to see 2013. There it is, 2015, 14, and so on. These are your slicers. If I hold down the Control key, I can select multiple. Got all my years back. I just want to see 2014. A nice interactive method to filter your pivot table results. Definitely try this one out. You can introduce multiple slicers, and that's another reason why I love these. And I'm just going to resize my, that's a bit too much. Resize my chart here a little bit, just so I can rearrange my slicer. Maybe I'll keep year over there. I like that. I'm going to go back to my pivot table. I'm going to go back to the Analyze tab, back into Slicer. Now let's say I now want to see it by region. We'll filter some region information here. That one I can shrink up quite a bit more, and I'll move that over to here. So now I just want to see North. I just want to see North for 2013, right? And I can filter all that. I want to get all the years. Let's get all of them inside there. Let's go to West, right? Very cool, very interactive. Give your users those button press moments to be able to filter your results. Again, the filter inside of the pivot table interface, it's great, but this just takes it to another level. Button presses, dashboard feel to it, and you're good to go. Your users are going to love you. Try this out. Try out a couple. Maybe start out with year, throw a region in there, maybe salesperson. Throw a few of them in there, see what you get.